Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Sony ZV-E10 II to Sony Creators app. So first of all, let's launch the camera and let's open the main menu. After that, we're gonna have to use the left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar, and on the sidebar scroll down to Network tab. Open it, then open the first menu here, which is Connect menu. Select smartphone connection, and then you're gonna have to install the Creators app on your smartphone. You can easily find and install this application using your smartphone's camera. So just select, find the QR code with your camera, open the following link, and there you'll find the installation link for your particular phone model, or rather phone system. So you have to download this application, and once it is downloaded, let's open it. Then tap Agree and Proceed. Then tap Agree and Proceed once again. And then if you want to, you can create an account or sign into an existing account by selecting the option below. I'm gonna register my account later and proceed straight to the operation. So let's select Register Later, then select what you need your camera for, and tap Save and use the app. After that, give the application permissions to use your phone's gallery. Then open the Camera tab at the bottom. Tap Next, then you're gonna have to scroll down to Vlog Cameras, and here you'll find your camera. So now what we need is Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth being enabled on our smartphone, so make sure to turn them on. Then tap Allow on the next screen, then Allow while using the app, allow once again, and then you'll immediately find your camera. Then tap Start Connection. Select your camera from the list. Then tap OK, Pair. And as you can see right now, the camera is paired. So now select the frequency band. 5 GHz has smaller coverage, but it ensures faster and more stable communication. However, 2.4 GHz will have better coverage. So if you're not planning to go away from your camera too much, then I recommend using 5 GHz. Then tap OK, and right now your camera is connected to your Creators application. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.